causing your engine light to come on and fix it, no matter what it is.
So
Keep your eyes on the road.
we are headed to the Mt Wilson Observatory.
Let's take a look.
Okay, yeah.
Check engine light on? We'll check it for free. Restrictions, limitations, and exclusions may apply. See info.com for complete details.
Yeah.
$5,000. That's the average amount of.
Those white, oh, the domes.
Yeah, see, there's like a little dome.
Yeah.
That's basically.
So that's,
Sorry, that's a big.
yeah. It's all over my glass. Okay, anyway. That is NASA.
This is a JPL campus. Just so they could give you context.
Look at this. Holy, it's so windy. Yeah, water droplets are getting on my glasses.
Yeah, I could feel like ice crystal.
I'm getting pushed. Yeah, I zoomed in. We are in the clouds. Holy, it's so foggy. We are at 3,000 elevation.
3,000 feet.
Our Mount Wilson is 5,000 something.
Yep.
Look at that. Holy.
Oh, there, Mt Wilson Road,
is it?
6 miles.
6 miles.
We're almost there.
Dude. I cannot even see ahead of us.
When we go back, let's take a picture of that.
Look at that, we are in the cloud.
That road smoke.
Here's the sign again. Oh shoot. There it is. Boom. Yep.
So we're at a turnout on our way to Mt Wilson Observatory. As you can see, we're high up in the clouds. It's drizzling,
Yep.
a little breezy, chilly. I love this weather. It's great. Take your footage, Myron. I'm pointing right down the valley. I bet we're gonna see some snow on our way up. Mild snow.
Look at that. Look at that valley.
Amazing. We should be able to see some more geographical features on the way up.
Look at that. Look at that valley. It's getting more windy. There's the Mt Wilson sign you saw earlier. Water is in my eyes. What are those pools? Yeah, I'm getting a few pictures. Holy. It's cold. It's windy. We just went to a bathroom break. Holy, water is all over my glasses and eyes because of the wind. Oh,
I don't.
yeah, I gotta. This was a good choice of sweater. Holy, you could barely see through the window. Yeah.
Somebody, you can do that in our text window at 800-232-KRTH.
Turn resolutions into reps this new year at EOS Fitness.
Oh my
Join now
gosh.
for just 26 cents. Hurry, offer ends soon. Join now at joineos.com. EOS Fitness.
On the way to Mount Wilson.
Think Verizon.
We are almost there. We just passed the observatory sign.
So Dave heads to AutoZone,
Welcome to AutoZone.
where a friendly AutoZone
What the?
They neatly packed it.
Yeah, neat. There are bricks that just passed by that were neatly laid. We're almost there to the observatory. We just passed cell towers, and now we're right at the gate entrance to the observatory, as you can see by the sign. So we're about to enter the Cosmic Cafe to get the pass. Look at this. It's over there.
Observatory.
It's where? To the right.
Yeah, like, go out and take a photo.
This is the Cosmic Cafe. Quite barren, which makes sense. It is raining, but honestly, this is pretty cool weather to explore. Only it is a ghost town. They are not here today. But look at this. Holy, my hands. My hands are cold.
Mine too. I got gloves.
Yeah,
You want gloves?
I think so.
Well, hold on, let me
Oh my god.
just take quick footage.
Holy.
Like reporters.
Yeah, we're yeah. Oh, also bare area. I feel like those guys, you know, who explore abandoned places.
Yeah,
I feel like it's like that.
that's us.
Yeah. Holy shoot. It is, you won't believe how windy and cold. Holy. Look at that. We are inside a cloud right now. Get all that wind blowing the mist. Holy crap. My hands are numb. Oh my word. Oh, here's a map. Holy. I can't even talk. Trash. So, when it's not raining and cold and windy, oh, that's a bird. You'll see people here eating at these tables. Yeah. Okay. My hands are shivering.
So, we're on Mount Wilson Observatory Point. Seems like nobody's here but us,
Yep.
as you can see. Right here, right behind me is the Cosmic Cafe where we're supposed to be getting the parking permits. As you can see, we're at the peak and it's cold as hell.
And windy.
Behind me is clouds
Yeah, it's pure cloud.
and the phone is actually
And water. It's getting water droplets.
getting
on it.
water droplets everywhere. And I think it shows also that this place is there's a warning that says
Okay. Or warning, there are bears.
warning, bear area.
Uh-huh. If you see a bear together, you do not run.
So this is what we're seeing.
There's a few
The only ones
birds.
here are us and birds.
And birds.
The 100-inch telescope.
It's like that way, I think.
I think the scientists took the day off too.
Yeah, it makes sense. The cloud is covering the sky.
My hands are shaking a little bit.
Mine too. They were numb.
All right, Myron. Just
Oh, did you
take a quick footage. Yeah, I switched to forward. Hey, do a little bit of yours too.
Yeah. I'm just warming my hands.
So I guess this is the trailway up to the cafe. We'll probably be back on another
Oh,
day when it's dry.
or at least not.
We thought it was gonna snow instead of rain.
Yeah, everything is wet.
Everything is wet.
Yeah, which is worse than I would say snow. That's solid.
So this is a documentary on haunted Mt Wilson Observatory. And I wore the wrong gear. Don't have any waterproof. I just have a hoodie. But this would be nice on a dry day, I bet. So come on, Myron.
Yeah.
Just try to shoot whatever we can capture with the video.
This is cool. Visually and figuratively.
We're on top of the world right now. On top of LA.
Heart losing feeling.
I know, mine too.
But my fingers.
The birds seem to be enjoying our company.
Yeah.
And
Again, water all over my glasses.
be on the lookout for bears. I don't want to be. Look at that. Let's go one little
yeah,
trip.
let's go in.
I'm gonna switch to selfie.
Holy,
Keep talking. So right now,
so cool. I need gloves.
I got gloves in the car.
Oh my god.
You'll be all right.
Yeah.
Come on, Myron. Get in front of me. So next time we're gonna go picnicking here. We're gonna bring our hot dogs
Yeah. In this weather.
when it's dry. Survival mode. We're on survival mode right now. You ready? Watch out for mountain lions, man. And bears. Let's go back to the car. Probably
Yeah.
be back on another
Oh,
day when it's dry.
or at least not
We thought
raining.
it was gonna snow instead of rain.
Yeah, everything is wet, which
Everything is wet.
yeah, which is worse than I would say snow, because at least that's solid.
So this is documentary on haunted Mount Wilson Observatory.
Hold on. I forgot to film this. Don't drop your phone. Look at this. Holy. Full cloud. Yeah, you wore the wrong. My dad wore the wrong shirt or sweatshirt. There's like water building up on the floor. Look at this. Holy. Where are you going?
Come on, Myron.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is cool. Literally and figuratively. Oh my gosh. My hands are losing feeling.
I know, mine too.
Well, my fingers are blocking. Yep.
And,
There's again water all over my glasses. Can you see that? Oh my gosh.
look at that. Let's,
Oh, it's a drain.
let's go one day.
Oh yeah, wait, yeah, let's go in here.
I'm gonna switch to selfie.
Holy,
Keep talking.
right
now?
It's so cold. I need gloves.
I got gloves in the
Oh my god.
You'll be alright.
Yeah.
Get in front of me. So next time we're gonna go picnicking here. We're gonna bring our hot dogs.
Yep. In this weather. And bear. Yeah, let's go. Yep. Holy. We literally walked through a shower.
Yeah.
It was insane.
I feel like I'm cleansed.
Yeah.
Oh, see, the observatory is that way.
Yeah, that way.
So where? Do you see
I thought-
the dome itself?
I thought it was that way. I don't know because I feel like the view because we're in the clouds.
Let's drive around so we could at least take a footage of the dome, right?
Yeah.
Even though we can't get in. See, there's more passageways.
Yeah,
we
back
could,
out there.
Yeah, ventured out into, but it's just wet right now, and we're the only ones other than that one guy we just saw.
Oh yeah, we saw a guy who is also an adventurer.
He's hiking by himself.
Yeah.
An older guy.
Yeah, I wonder what's down there.
What is the observatory? Well, let's follow them. And then we could take some still pictures. See, there's a lot to.
Yeah, there's a lot down there that of when we could have went through. Oh. Look at that. Right there. It's a little hard to see because of the cloud.
Yeah.
But right there.
So we just saw another car come in, and it looks like he's turning around as well.
What does that say?
Parked vehicles. It's about getting parked.
Oh.
Let's drive around some more.
What is this?
I think the antennas. Oh wow, that's not clear.
Yeah, there's a building right here. And a tower that you can't see the top of. Yeah, the stairs there turned into a waterfall with all the rain. In a dry day, that would be for the trail. Also, to explain what happened, we went because of the weather. Our orientation was messed up, and so we went down instead, back the way we came. But we definitely could not walk there to the observatory in person, and the roads were probably closed anyway. So we just decided to, and we're back at the Red Box picnic trail that we passed by earlier.
Don't drop that phone
Yeah,
in the puddle.
there's the waterfall we passed earlier. We're on the way down from Mt Wilson.
Observatory seems to be closed today.
Yeah,
Or at least the road closures.
yeah, there was a closed road we passed by.
So we will continue for part 2.
We will return to be continued.
To be continued.